Introducing the new Zippo pipe lighter. As you can see, it's fitted with a pipe emblem on the bottom left corner. When you open it, you can see through the sides. It has a built-in hole so you can smoke your pipe with your Zippo lighter. Here is Zach to do a dry run-through of a Zippo pipe lighter pipe head. Zach?
We got our standard pipe over here. We got my silver pipe lighter over here. I'm gonna light and place over top. Inhale.
Good hit. Good hit. Roast it. Roast it. Puff, puff, pass. Puff, puff, pass. Now, I will give you a run through as well. Open your Zippo lighter. Spark the flame. Flip it. I like to do it emblem out. That's right. Smoke your pipe with the Zippo pipe lighter.